real gas. So real gas is actually behaves at a high temperature and high pressure and low temperature. So whenever there is a low temperature and high pressure, it will consider as a behavior of real gases. So what is happening when gas is behaving on the condition of these kind of parameters, where your pressure is really high and your temperature is low. So what is going to happen at this condition? Firstly, as we know that real gas do not obeys ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT, and the postulate of kinetic theory of gases also. So deviation from the ideal gases is due to the low temperature and high pressure. Because of low temperature and high pressure, average kinetic energy, because average kinetic, you can see in the diagram also, so I will explain it after 2 minutes, so just listen carefully. Because of low temperature and high pressure, average kinetic energy is low. As we know that as your temperature varies, your kinetic energy is also varies, and space among the molecules very small. As your kinetic energy is very small, attractive force will be there, weak attractive force will be there, and if your kinetic energy is very small, molecules will not move that easily, so they will space so close to each other, and they will have a weak force in between them. So this weak force is known as van der Waals forces, and then that's why a volume that cannot be ignored by as compared to the total volume of the container. So thus the deviation is more for real gas at a low temperature and at high pressure. So here more in detail, suppose I have taken one example here, so hope so you will understood more clearly about ideal gas and real gas now. So see here now, I have a glass full of water. Now I have a glass full of water. I have added a few amount of salt particle in it. So these white balls are actually considered as a salt particle, or any particle, whatever it is, sugar or salt, anything. So see here, this one is first diagram, this one is second, this one is working as a ideal one, and this one is working as a real one. Okay, so now see, so if amount of salt is very small as compared to the amount of water, should it become salty or not? Absolutely not. Salt particles are very small in number as compared to the size of that particular glass. Similarly, gas molecules are very small, they occupies very small space in container, and therefore we ignore the volume of gas. So as compared to the container, the molecule size is very small, and that's why we ignore the volume of molecules. Whatever the gas molecules having volume, we ignored it as compared to the that container's volume. And yes, we ignored the volume of gas with apart from each other, because there is no attraction between them. And here, as you can see, this one is showing real gas behavior at the low temperature and high pressure. So in a low temperature and high pressure, what is happening? They will not firstly going to obey any particular law of ideal gas. Second one, there is less kinetic energy in between them, and due to that the space between them is very close. You can see actually the space between them is very close, and if space between them is very close, there is a possibility of weak attraction force, and that weak attraction force is also called as van der Waals forces. And due to these particular forces, there will be some volume will be possessed by these molecules. So this is how your ideal gas is actually differ from real gas. First one is that at a firstly, whatever ideal gas molecules are there, they are following PV is equal to nRT, so perfectly. Second, there are assumptions, but two assumptions we are considering here particularly. One is there is no intermolecular force in between them, and second one is the molecule volume of a molecule or gas molecule is very negligible as compared to the volume of that particular container. So yes, this type of condition is actually not exist in nature, but if we want to make gases at the ideal condition, then this ideal condition can be maintained when we kept our temperature at a high level and pressure at a low level. So whenever temperature is high and whenever the pressure is low, in this condition we are able to get ideal gas behavior. So in ideal gas behavior, what is happening? In ideal gas behavior, there is no interaction force, and that's why molecules are very apart from each other, and so much space is there, and that's why the particular molecular volume is negligible as compared to the container. Here you can see, but in a real gases, they are not they do not obey any kind of equation or any kind of assumptions. Second, how they are differ at a low pressure and at a low temperature and at a high pressure. What is happening here? At a low temperature is there is a low temperature, that's why kinetic energy is low, and if kinetic energy is low, the distance between two molecules is very small, and if distance between two molecules is very small, there is possibility of a small or weak attraction between them, and due to this weak attraction, there is some volume to that particular molecules as compared to the container of that gas, as compared to the container of that real gas. So hope so you understood very well about it. So here we are ending our can you recall questions. So if you have any doubt or if you have any kind of questions, you can write your questions in comment box. Thank you.